2. Paneer Butter Masala. Introduction. Paneer Butter Masala is a beloved North Indian delicacy that's rich, creamy, and bursting with vibrant flavors. This restaurant-style dish is made with tender paneer cubes, simmered in a luscious tomato-based gravy, spiced to perfection, and finished with a touch of cream. It pairs wonderfully with naan, roti, or steamed rice, making it a favorite choice for special occasions or everyday meals. Main steps. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Start by assembling the ingredients. You'll need 250 grams of paneer cubed, 2 medium onions finely chopped, 3 medium tomatoes pureed, 1-inch piece of ginger minced, 5 garlic cloves crushed, half a cup fresh cream, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon oil. Spices, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, and garam masala, and 1 teaspoon kasuri methi, dried fenugreek leaves. Step 2. Sauté the base ingredients. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter in a large pan. Add the chopped onions and sauté until golden brown. Add the minced ginger, crushed garlic, and tomato puree. Cook the mixture on medium heat until the oil separates, indicating the base is well cooked. Step 3. Blend the base. Let the cooked mixture cool slightly, then blend it into a smooth paste using a blender. This step ensures the gravy is silky and restaurant style. Step 4. Prepare the gravy. Return the blended mixture to the pan. Add turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, and garam masala. Stir and cook on medium heat until aromatic. Add 1 cup of water to adjust the gravy consistency and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Step 5. Add paneer and cream. Stir in half a cup of fresh cream to make the gravy rich and creamy. Add the paneer cubes and gently mix them into the gravy. Allow it to simmer for another 5 minutes so the paneer absorbs the flavors. Sprinkle kasuri methi for a final touch of flavor. Step 6. Garnish and serve. Turn off the heat and garnish the paneer butter masala with a swirl of cream or chopped coriander leaves. Serve hot with naan, roti, or steamed rice. Conclusion. Paneer Butter Masala is not just a dish, it's an experience of indulgence and comfort in every bite. The soft paneer combined with the creamy, spiced gravy makes it a universally loved recipe that will keep your guests and family coming back for more. Enjoy this culinary masterpiece and add it to your list of go-to dishes for any occasion. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like, share, and stay updated with our latest videos.